Hello students, welcome in your period of English. Again we are together to continue our topic preposition, and today is the turn of exercise number 13.5. In this exercise beta, what do we see? That we are having no options. So we have to choose the preposition according to the sentence by your own. So here we are with the first one. This is a matter dash little importance. So this is a matter of little importance. ये बहुत ही कम importance का matter है. Next is I am tired of walking. कहता है मैं चलते चलते थक गया हूँ. I am tired of walking. Don't cry over spilt milk. Don't cry over. So the correct preposition will be over. Is it okay? It's 10 o'clock dash my watch. It's 10 o'clock by my watch. मेरी घड़ी में 10 बजे हैं. The village was destroyed dash floods. The village was destroyed in floods भी बेटा ठीक है preposition, and you can write here by also. You can write two prepositions here. Okay, both are correct. The village was destroyed in floods. The village was destroyed by floods. बाढ़ में गांव जो है वो खत्म हो गया था. Next is the burglar jumped dash the wall. अब burglar ने jumped कैसे किया था wall को? Over the wall. दीवार के ऊपर से ही कूदा था ना. The burglar jumped over the wall. I shall do it dash tomorrow. I shall do it कहता है कि I shall do it मैं कर लूँगा. Do it before tomorrow. कल से पहले पहले मैं इसे कर लूँगा. So you will write the preposition before here. Next is the river flows dash the bridge. नदी बहती है. अब नदी कहाँ पर बहेगी? पुल के ऊपर से या नीचे से? The river flows under the bridge. Bridge के नीचे से ही बहेगी of course. Next is the steam engine was invented dash James Watt. स्टीम इंजन किसके द्वारा इन्वेंटेड किए गए थे? बाय जेम्स वॉट. जेम्स वॉट के द्वारा. आई एम रियली सॉरी डैश वॉट आई हैव डन. आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर वॉट आई हैव डन. नाउ यू विल राइट द preposition फॉर हियर. नेक्स्ट इज माई बुक्स आर डैश माई बैग. ऑफकोर्स इन माई बैग. मेरी बुक्स कहाँ पर हैं? बैग के अंदर. इन माई बैग. द स्विमर जम्प्ड डैश द रिवर. The swimmer jumped into the river. Is it okay? उसने जंप किया था. The process was continued. और जो बैग में जो मेरी बुक्स हैं वो they are there in resting position. The books are in my bag. Next is that man is signaling us dash across the road. So we will go with the preposition from. From across the. You will write here from. At number 14, this is the file which I was looking for. कहता है ये वो फाइल थी जिसे मैं खोज रहा था. Next is one should not park dash the gate. अब बेटा dash the gate हमें पार्क कहाँ नहीं करनी चाहिए गाड़ी? In front of the gate. गेट के सामने. In front of the gate. Okay. In front of the gate. Next is What post have you applied for? आपने किस पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई किया है? Now we are putting questions, so sign of question mark will be there. Which city does she belong to? वो किस सिटी से belong करती है? Next is they climbed dash the stair. Climb के साथ up आता है बेटा. They climbed up क्योंकि ऊपर चढ़ते हैं ना हम. They climbed up the stairs. Next is the refrigerator is switched dash because of voltage fluctuation. The refrigerator is switched off because of voltage fluctuation. And last is you must be at home. आपको घर होना है कितने बजे? At 8 p.m. Is it okay? Now we are seeing that you must be at home dash 8 p.m. Now we are indicating that 8 p.m. time is referring. So we can also go with by. You must be at home. तुम्हें घर अवश्य होना है. So by preposition will be more appropriate than the preposition at. You must be at home by 8 p.m. We always know that beta so many preposition suits in many sentences, but we have to just go for the appropriateness. Is it okay? That is why I have written both, but the correct preposition is bet. You must be at home by 8 p.m. So you will with by. Okay, by will come here. I hope students that you have enjoyed a lot to do this exercise without any helping words, without any helping prepositions. So try to do sentences by your own also. Okay, and just go for the reasoning also, why we are applying this and why we are not applying that, and it will give you a wonderful experience. Thank you students. Good.